Fiber cement or James Hardie siding is just exactly that. It is a fiberglass mesh material with a concrete material applied to it, and then it is cured, and then it is created in siding. And you have various different styles. You have horizontal siding, lap siding, 6-inch, 7-inch, different lap widths, etc. You have grained, where it's got a wood grain to it. You have smooth, where it's smooth to create the appearance of stucco. You have stucco texture. You have vertical siding. You have 4x9, 4x8, 4x10 sheets of siding. You have board and bat. You have a litany of different siding. You can get it primed or primed only, where it comes as a gray prime, and then you can have a painter paint it. So if you want your house to be some unique color that doesn't exist in the color palette, you can do that. Or you can get it pre-painted, which is what we try to sell because it has a 15-year warranty on the paint job, and you have numerous different colors to choose from in that as well. The benefits: it's concrete, so it's strong as heck. It's hail resistant. It's not going to warp. It's not going to sag. It's not going to break down. It's not going to have any of the problems that a wood material or a vinyl material would suffer, because it's concrete. The downsides: two things. One is it's a painted material, so like if you just have a regular paint job done to it, it's going to last about 5 or 6 years before you need to paint it. If you have the pre-painted from Hardie, which is the factory paint job, it has a 15-year finish on it and a 15-year warranty on it, so it does last that. It's pretty strong warranty as far as the paint, and it's an excellent paint job, so it holds up. The other downside is it's more costly. It's a harder material to work with. It's a more expensive material, and so there's more cost involved with it. That's probably the two big downsides. Is it is something that has to be painted. It's like if you never want to paint your house again, you're going to want to get premium vinyl siding. If you want to have the ability to change the color of your house, you're going to want to get Hardie siding. I just use as an example, I've lived in homes that have had premium vinyl siding, loved them, lived there. I live in homes that have had Hardie siding, loved it, lived there. It's just from a husband and wife standpoint, my wife preferred the Hardie siding because she liked the ability to change the color. So like when we did paint our house, we didn't go back the exact same color that our house was. We changed it because she wanted to go with the modern colors. If you had vinyl siding, you never paint it, and so you can't change the color, so you can't update to whatever's trendy.